Welcome to the Clean Life blog. Today, we've got a quick and handy tip for you on how to remove chewing gum from your clothes. It's happened to all of us at some point, right? But worry not, we've got you covered. So, here's what you'll need. Toothpaste, a toothbrush, cold water, your garment. Step 1, apply a small amount of toothpaste directly onto the chewing gum stained area of your garment. Be sure not to use too much, just a little dab will do. Step 2, now, use your fingers to spread and rub the toothpaste into the chewing gum. This will help break it up and make it easier to remove. Step 3, next, grab your toothbrush and gently scrub the area to remove any leftover gum bits. The toothbrush bristles help in getting into the fabric fibers. Step 4, once you've removed as much gum as possible, rinse the garment under cold water. This will help wash away any remaining toothpaste and gum residue. Step 5, finally, launder your garment as you normally would, but make sure to use the hottest water temperature setting allowed by your fabric care label. This will help ensure that any remaining gum and toothpaste are completely gone. And there you have it, folks. A simple and effective way to remove chewing gum from your clothes. No need to stress over gum mishaps anymore. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful hacks and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.